The average American keeps their car for about 8 years, and during that time will easily drive over 100,000 miles.
During that time, grease, grime, and debris can build up on a car's engine. In today's all-new Behind the Wheel, Tony shows us how to keep your car running clean.
There are 4 main reasons why drivers steam clean their car's engine. The first is fairly obvious.
The first thing is just getting ready to sell it. If you're going to sell your car, it's got to look nice.
The next reason is a bit more practical.
If leaves and pine needles get built up in the valance panel in the front, those leaves will block drainage of water.
The third reason might surprise you.
Mice and squirrels. They love to get up in that engine compartment, and it's a safe little dry, warm area, and they can do all kinds of damage. They like to get right up on top, and they'll either drag their food up there and just eat right there, or they'll tear the insulation off the hood and make a little nest.
And if you think rodent droppings fouling your engine are rare, think again.
We've done 2 already this week.
A clean engine also makes it easier for your mechanic to identify problems. It's hard to spot the source of an oil leak when your engine is covered in gunk from an oil leak.
If it's all nasty and greasy and goopy, they can't see, so then the mechanic will refer them to us.
Having your engine steam cleaned is sort of like getting your teeth cleaned. You may be qualified to brush and floss, but when it comes to really getting in there and scraping out the gunk, it's best to leave it to a pro.
Definitely not DIY.
An experienced cleaner knows when and where to apply water pressure and how to do it carefully.
You can cause literally tens of thousands of dollars of damage just in the electronics. The brains in a lot of these modern cars, yeah, absolutely not a DIY.
Hiring a professional IDA certified detailer also guarantees that all the grease and grime coming off of your engine doesn't end up in our storm drains.
With the permit that we have, we collect all of that water and it's treated properly before it's discharged.
Even with all of the benefits, steam cleaning an engine is still one of the last maintenance items most drivers ever consider. But neglecting it can come with consequences.
A dirty engine can run fine for years and years. The issue is you won't see a problem, or your mechanic won't, until it's too late, until there's a problem.
Most jobs can be done in a couple of hours. It's dirty, tedious work, which, as it turns out, is perfect for Jason, who's been at it for 30 years and still loves it.
There's usually a clean spouse and a messy spouse. Well, you can guess which one I am.
Tony Martinez, Fox 12 Oregon.
So good. Wow, it's never even occurred to me.
Well, I had one
like
car that had a cleaning, and once it's clean, you don't ever want to let it get dirty.
Right.
It's just so much better, and it can run more efficiently as well. So lots of good reasons to do it. Usually maybe a couple $100 to a couple of hours to get it done on the average job. So,
I've been wanting to do it. I can't wait now.
Kim was really
It was
enjoying.
almost therapeutic just to watch it all get cleaned. I was just, oh, gosh,
Jason loves doing it for that very reason. Like, he will spend hours just picking away.
And it seemed like that's not an AI job about to be,
No,
I think you've got to have the skills for that.
Indeed.
So, yeah.
Can we call out the adorable animations, by the way?
Yes.
Thanks to our
Aliana.
producer.
Yeah. If you missed it, you'll want to stay tuned and watch that again, or go online and watch it.